So we cannot use the equality operator when we are comparing numbers with decimals, so of float or double type. And here's an example why. So we have this variable x and it contains 1, right? And then we have this variable y and it contains 3/7 plus 2/7 plus 2/7. And so 3 plus 2 plus 2 is 7. So 7/7 is 1, right? So in algebra or in math, these two are identical, right? 3/7 plus 2/7 plus 2/7 is equal to 1. So when I run this program, you can see that this equation, right, 3/7 plus 2/7 plus 2/7 is equal 2.999, this big long number, which is essentially 1, but that's how the computer is storing it. Okay, and then when I output x contains 1, and then y contains this number that's super, super close to 1. And so if we say if x is equal to y, this will be false, and it will print x and y are not the same. So how we get around this in programming is we subtract the two numbers and we look at their difference. So if their difference is really small, and you determine what small means, so their difference is very small, then we can say they're essentially the same number. Okay, so this FABS means take the absolute value of this difference. And the F is just for floating point. So we're going to take the absolute value of the difference and then test it to see if it's super small. And then if it's super small, we're going to say, they're basically the same. So this would be true, and then we would say that x and y are the same within this tolerance. Okay, so just keep that in mind. In programming, you cannot use equality to test if two floating point numbers are equal.